With the multi-connection function feature on your Genesis, two smartphones can be simultaneously connected, making it possible to make or receive calls using one of the connected phones and also listen to music from either phone as a music source. This feature is easy to set up. First, you must pair two devices to your vehicle. See the Pairing Your Bluetooth Device video or your owner's manual for instructions. Remember that you can only add new Bluetooth devices when no device is currently connected. Once two devices are connected, you can switch between them in one of two ways. Select Phone, then Menu, then Change Device. Press the desired Bluetooth device on the pop-up to change for audio streaming or hands-free calling. When listening to streaming audio via Bluetooth, you can also change devices on the playing screen. Select the multi-connection icon. Then choose the desired Bluetooth device for audio playback. And you can always quickly and easily switch devices back using these steps. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult My Genesis.